Hello everybody, so today we're going to be doing a squishy collection, so let's get started. Sorry about my feet. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my squishy collection. Okay, so first squishy we have is this mermaid squishy that I got from Claire's because there was this time where they had this sale thing on Claire's and they brought a lot of squishies, so I thought I can get a mermaid squishy for only $2. So I got one, and this is really cute, guys. It's like, it has this really cute texture to it. It's really squishy, like really squishy. And I'm also gonna be selling this maybe, so who wants this? And if it's anyone that I know, I can probably give it to you guys. But this is really nice squishy. It's a little bit defected, but I can fix that probably. I'll try to fix that, or I'll send it to this squishy person, and then they can fix it, and then I'll do a giveaway on it. And yeah, so that's the first squishy. So the next squishy we're going to be doing is we're going to do this squishy. This squishy is this thing like, it's kind of a stress ball thing because it's not really squishy, but I got this from Michael's, and it's squishy, but it's kind of like hard, but it's good. I like it. It's not as squishy. Let's see which one's squishier. I think this one is. Yeah, this is probably. Wait, let me see. They rise at the same time, but I think this one's more squishy. This one's kind of hard. Next, we have this squishy. This is such a good squishy, but it's not slow rising. It's fast rising, and it's not as squishy. So yeah, well, it is squishy, but like it's not slow rising. And sad thing, I got this, and now it's like a little dirty, so that's sad. Okay, next I have this like, what is bread? Like this bread thing, and this is super realistic. It's really good. It's really squishy, and I think I'm planning out to sell this. I am not sure. So yeah. And also let me tell you something. So these boys at my school, not these boys, but like so like these these people are bringing so much squishies, and yeah. So yeah, but this is a turtle squishy. It was slow rising. This was slow rising for a time, but now it's a fast rising. But it's really squishy. It hasn't got ripped. This is a good brand. Then I have this. I got this from Five Below because they sell squishies there, but they were only like a box of them, so it was really bad. And then here is this Yummy Bear squishy, and it's really slow rising. But look, yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give a like and subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and follow me on all my social media. Bye, moi.